Are you treating the wrong area? Pain is the body's way of getting your attention, but it doesn't always tell the full story. Many people assume that the source of pain is the same as the location of pain. As a result, they spend weeks, months, or even years treating the wrong area only to find that nothing truly improves. If this sounds familiar, it's time to ask a critical question: are you treating the wrong area? The human body is a complex, interconnected system. Muscles, joints, nerves, and organs all work together in harmony. When one area is weak, tight, or misaligned, another part of the body often compensates, leading to pain in a seemingly unrelated location. This concept is known as referred pain, and it's a key reason why treating pain at the site of discomfort doesn't always solve the problem. Consider lower back pain, one of the most common ailments among adults. Many people instinctively apply heat, take painkillers, or stretch the back muscles. While these methods might bring temporary relief, the actual cause of the problem may lie elsewhere. Tight hip flexors, weak core muscles, poor posture, or even flat feet can all place strain on the lower back. If these underlying issues are ignored, the pain will keep coming back regardless of how much you treat the back itself. Knee pain is another classic example. It's easy to assume that if your knee hurts, the problem must be in the knee. However, dysfunction in the hips or ankles often creates movement imbalances that stress the knee joint. Weak glutes, tight calves, or misaligned feet can cause the knees to move improperly, leading to inflammation and pain. Focusing treatment solely on the knee may overlook these contributing factors, delaying real recovery. Even shoulder and neck pain can be deceptive. You might think your shoulders are the problem, when in fact the root issue is poor thoracic spine mobility or weak upper back muscles. If you spend hours at a desk with your head leaning forward, your neck and shoulders bear the brunt. Simply massaging the sore spots won't correct the posture or muscle imbalances that are causing the pain in the first place. This principle applies beyond physical pain. In the realm of mental and emotional health, it's common to treat symptoms without identifying the deeper causes. You might feel fatigued, anxious, or unmotivated and try to fix it with more sleep, caffeine, or stress reduction techniques. While these might help temporarily, the root cause could be nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or unresolved emotional trauma. Without addressing the core issue, true healing remains out of reach. So how do you avoid treating the wrong area? The answer lies in taking a more holistic and functional approach. This means looking at how your entire body functions together, rather than isolating individual parts. Functional movement assessments, postural evaluations, and comprehensive wellness reviews can reveal imbalances that aren't always obvious. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.